bring it down. Whoa! Okay everyone, so we're running, we're gonna do a fly this morning, and hopefully you'll get some good shots. Now as the sun is rising, let's do a takeoff. Let's start recording and do a takeoff. So you can see it's a beautiful bright morning. There's the drone up there. Again, the wind is very strong right below the drone. And let's see if it's folding. Let's move it up then. There's the sun coming up. And there's the moon there. Wow, what are the chances of it? Let's get a picture there. I can't take a picture because my phone is here. Hopefully the Osmo Action got that. The moon and the drone. What a nice picture there. Right, so let's go up. Look at that sunrise. I probably need to do some setting here. I'm not sure where's the setting for that. Okay, I have to worry about that later. Oh, it's here. No, it's not there. Let's go to the side a bit. Beautiful sunrise. Let's turn it around. And there's the other side. It's facing the other way. Okay, let me stop this and get a photograph then. Maybe I do a panoramic photograph and then let's stop that. How do I get a panoramic photograph? I'm not sure how you get a panoramic to figure this out. Hey, way to do that. Never mind, we'll switch it back to video. Bring it around. Down to 75%. And let's move it around. Those are electric lines. I think I better not do that. Don't want to go past the electric cables and lose my drone. That's it up there. I still have to calibrate the speed because it's not the speed that I want. It's going too fast. Down to 67% now. Bring the camera down a bit. Yep, that's probably how you look at that. And let's go forward. And those are the houses and the new developments coming up. And when there's my drone now. Okay, better not lose sight of it. And that's the plots of land going there. 62% battery now. So all development around here, bring it up, the camera. And let's move up further. How many meters is this? Distance 180 meters. Down to 58% battery. Let's come back. Okay, flying back to myself. And let's land it. The camera down, and so we can land this drone. That's me. You can see me. I'm there. And let's bring it down. There's a plane behind, and there's a drone there. I'm getting this drone and plane thing. So that's the drone, and it seems the bug is getting near it. So just bring the camera up. We're down to 50%, and there you see me. Hi everyone, Rich here. Let's do a flyaway and see. It's manually I have to do that. So let's reverse and up. Bit too fast. Again, I need to reduce the sensitivity of the joystick. It's crazy fast. And that's gonna hit me. Okay, probably that's down to 44%. Maybe we'll do maybe some Star Wars thing. Bring it down. I'll bring it down, and battery level is 40%. That's warning you. You can see how the gimbal works. Let's bring it up and okay. That's how the gimbal works. You see. Bring it closer. This is how the gimbal works. It's doing its job to smoothen. It's doing its job to smoothen the gimbal is doing its job to smoothen the shake. You can see that. See that? That's how the gimbal is working. And let's go play something else. Battery is down to 30%. And that's how it looks like on the road. Let's take a run down the road. Oh, I hope I don't hit any lampposts. Better bring it back up and bring it back here. It's such a fast drone. Battery to 25%. We'll bring it down. Whoa! I just trimmed some trees.
Low battery warning.
Okay, go.
Return to home view.
Okay, you have to come back and get back.
Return to home.
Oh, why is it? Okay, it's on the return to home mode. Let's see where it lands. Hopefully it lands the place I started off. Which is the pad here. Yep, it's coming down. And there it is. It's coming back down, down. And we're at 18%. That's the drone. That's the pad. It's landing on my back.
Refresh the return point. Please find the return position.
Okay, that is the position and it landed on my back. Okay, we're 18%, so I'm not sure if it's going to allow me to try. Maybe we should try one. Just take off and see what happens. Manual takeoff.
Refresh the return point. Please find the return position.
So it's 18%. And let's see how far it goes. Let it hover around. And we'll see what does it do. Seems to be going down. And let it hover until it's out of battery. I'll let it hover. 18% now. I'll let it hover until it runs out of battery. Let's see what happens then. So let's point it this way towards the roads. And we'll see out of 18%, does it still hold or it just crashes down? So 18%, is it going down? It's not going down, it's stuck at 18. I wonder why. And I wonder if it's holding on. Let's just switch to photo mode. It's still holding at 18. It's in there, I must get a snapshot of me. Yep, that's me. Hi. Hi. Bring it down. We're at, what's that? 17%? That's odd, right? Because it goes down to 20 so fast, but now it's at 17. 16, now it's going down. Maybe the video recording function
All battery warning. Drone is under return to home view.
I'll cancel return and just leave it on and see what happens. Bring it down in case it just crashes by itself. So low battery warning, we're down to 14%. And hopefully it lands by itself. okay. Let's see if it lands by itself. Beautiful sun, right? In the morning. So we're down to 14%. I wonder why. Then let's do a low right. Bring the camera up. Okay, let's do a run. Oh! How do you stop it? Oh shit. That's bad. That was pretty bad. Okay. My bad because I hit a tree and I probably took out the blades. That's it. My blades are gone.
Refresh to the return point. Please find the return position.
Okay, that is quite bad. I think hopefully I didn't destroy the drone. And that looks bad. I hope the gimbal is okay and didn't trash it much. And let's on it back on. And hopefully there's some connection. Aircraft disconnected. Hopefully I got it running. The fan seems to be on, and it's not connected. Oh my! Look at the grass cutter. Okay. It destroyed the drone by crashing it into trees. Hopefully my blades are okay. I have to clean them. This one is definitely bent. And it's back on. And it's low battery, 13%. Will it still spying the device? Low battery, so it won't let me take off. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. That's all my flight time I have, and I crashed this right into the tree. Bushes anyway. So I think my pins are broken. I hope they can still fly, and the drone seems to be, the fan is running, and the gimbal seems to be okay. Let me shut this down and charge it back up, and whether it can still work after this, I have to test it out. But it was a scary point. I don't know how to shut down the drone when it crashed. So that's something I need to learn how to do. How do I shut down the drone when it crashed? And because the motors were still spinning, and I have to check whether this drone is still workable after I charged up the battery. so that's it all, guys. I hope you like the video, and I'm still learning about this drone, so pay no attention to all the vehicle sound. So I'm still learning about this drone and trying to get this to fly as I want it, and learning about the quirks of this drone. So that's it. Follow me on my next video, and do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you. Have a nice day.